Hello, ICR Tiger from the Trading Tigers here, 21st of May 2014. Today we're going to be looking at the CFDs, indices, energies and metals using the Ichimoku on the 1 hour. Okay, before we start, please go through the disclaimer. Please read and stop at your own leisure. Hypothetical performance as well, please go through it. Okay, fine, so let's look at some charts. So here we have UK oil. See what's the opportunity for a potential kind of trade setup. Well, it's looking pretty bullish right now. We've got these kind of twists and turns, but overall you can see that there's some opportunity for some potential long side. You see the future Kumo is gonna be bearish, as you see prices coming down. The Tenkan-sen is above the Kumo. The Chiju-sen is just coming out the Kumo. But this is the part which interests me. I'm considering to putting a break out here at this level. So what I'll do, I'll put it on the ask price. And what we'll do, we'll ride that across. And if price goes above there, then so be it. We'll be in the trade. If the price doesn't go in there, then no problem. We're fine about it. Order buy 2 lots. We'll do the stop, and then we'll do a GTC. We're in. It's booked. Our stop level. Let's get it down to the bid price. And now we'll look for a good level to end, which will be here. 96 points. So then we go like this. Okay, fine. Now, US oil. US oil we triggered in a trade on yesterday at 6 p.m. right? And we were comfortable about going long. I think we had a cross around here, but we actually entered out later. We did it more of a breakout kind of strategy thereafter. Subsequently, price came down, hit the Kumo, and then gone up. We got that cross occurrence over there. So we're going to stay in this trade and just we can actually reduce our stop if we wanted to. So let's just bring it up while we have that chance. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Okay, fine. So let's bring that up. We'll bring it up around there. We trade it. Put the trade in. It's null and void now. I put these for my type of markers, my kind of ideas where I am, so I can just go back and actually have a look thereafter. So, okay, fine. Let's move to the next one. Natural gas. Nothing has kicked in. I was expecting some kind of movements on this based on the deal between Russia and China. So it is kind of bearish, bullish. You can see this bullish sentiment. The Chicago is pointing down, which means there could be a lot of consolidation occurrence thereafter. But you know, it's looking quite tempting to put a entry order around here at the high. Let's put it on the ask price. Okay, let's put a green. Why is that up there? Put our stop around here. Okay, fine. So we'll do 1 lot. So we're going to buy that. we're hooked our order in. We're coming down. Let's put that stop loss there. Let's move to the next one. Copper. What's going on with copper? Possibly in a trade right now, aren't we? No, we're not in a trade actually. In fact, we're expecting to go long, and the price actually went down. Right? Price went down, and price has subsequently gone below the Kumo and now pointing up. However, it could be a great opportunity. We'll cancel this trade. That's null and void for us now. We'll have to wait for price to go past the Kijun-sen and then come down again, and then we'll take it short. So we can clear all this stuff up. That's not no more. Okay, fine. Silver. Silver price has gone in the Kumo. Chicago is bumping price. Probably that's part of the consolidation which has happened. We'll have to wait to see if there's going to be any kind of potential. We could put like an alert there to give us some sort of indicative thing what's kicking off around there. In fact, that's what we'll do. Let's put a create an alert, and we pay. Yes. Okay. Right. We'll come back to that. And in fact, what we'll do, we'll just put our little marker here, and we'll make that pink. Okay, fine. Next one, gold. You can see a short kind of position emergence over here. I think everything is all good apart from the Chicago is in the candles. Right, so we'll leave that now. SPX 500, following the S&P 500. Are we bulls on this? Not yet triggered a trade. We haven't triggered a trade yet, so we'll leave that for now. Things are looking a little bit difficult for this particular one, and I think what we'll do, we'll cancel this. Right, so that stop loss has been moved. In fact, the stop loss should be around here. So we're going to put our stop loss down, a little bit down. Right, and now we'll put our stop loss here. Right, next one, NAS 100. What's kicking off in that? We're in a long position right now, entered at 3623. Price subsequently went down, hit the Kumo, ran by it, and then slightly went in it, and then we have a cross here. So really our trade should be a kind of a valid trade, tell you the truth. We're just waiting for this, and when I say cross, we have a Tenkan-sen Kijun-sen cross. So it's still looking quite tempting for the bearish, for the bullish kind of concept. In fact, our stop loss can be moved up a bit. Right, US 30. In no trade, we had put a marker down there. Price has gone up. We can see there's all sorts of differences, bearish, bullish, bearish kind of Kumo. Price has broken through the Kumo, but we got a flat bottom here. A little bit indecisive. We would like to see all these parameters above. Let's go to UK 100. UK 100. We're in a trade right now, 6807 to go short. We're minus 3 pips right now. Nothing we can do. Let's just wait. We can't bring our stop loss down. Let's move to the next one. FRA 40. Been stopped up that trade. We entered at 443. Stopped up at 4467 and minus 33 points, £5 lost. So we're still confident for a short trade, but let's not just jump in like that. See a little twist there, emergence over there. Let's see what pans out with that. Okay, fine. Price way above the Kumo stopped us out, but you can see our stop locations are perfect. Just needs to move it up a little bit maybe. But better to be out the trade than be in a losing trade. ITA 40. We put an entry at 19916. We're going to come out that trade because we wait for price to come through there, and what we'll do, we'll consider a short around here. That's just a consideration, we're not putting an order in at all. In fact, what we'll do, we'll mark that pink so at least we know that's what we were looking at. Because what I'm expecting that price to go past the Kijun Sen and cross, but at the same time we have this Shikao bumping into price. More than likely it's going to find problems around this area, and that can lead to some sort of consolidation. Right, fine. So this is the Swiss 30. Not much I can say on this particular trade, and opportunity like that. Maybe if price goes above that, that would be quite interesting, and so be it. Okay, fine. Let's just go for a few more others. European 50. We put an entry, weren't triggered, or were we triggered? Yeah, we were triggered, and came out the trade with a loss of 40 points. £6 loss, but that's how it is. So let's just take that off. We're out of that. The Aussie 200. Aussie 200, once again out that trade, been stopped out. Minus 2 pips. Sorry, minus 53 points. £5 loss. That's acceptable. Price has gone way up, hit the Kumo, top of the Kumo, and come down. Not come down, but just holding at that particular point right there. So what we'll do, we'll mark off this particular area here. And JPN 225 just entered the trade right now at 14221 for the stop at 13986. And here we can see some sort of like area here, or possibly twist, which could verify our kind of movement up. That's what we're expecting. So we'll put that over there. Okay, last one. Hong Kong 33. Yeah, quite tempting. Everything's looking very favourable for this potential trade. And if we're going to take a trade, we're going to take a trade on that high. But I believe the possibility to enter is not possible right now. Let's just give it a shot. We won't even be able to put our order on it, I don't think. Put GTC. Yep, we're okay, we can enter. So that's good. So what we'll do, we'll mark it up. And we'll put another one in. Okay, fine. So that's how it's looking. Thank you very much. ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Thank you. Bye bye.